A civil code is a codification of private law relating to contracts, property, family, and obligations. Commonly, a state that has a civil code generally also has a code of civil procedure. In some states with a civil code, some core fields of private law would be codified in a commercial code. A civil code is made up of statutes that govern the general obligations and rights of persons within the jurisdiction. Civil code is divided into 4 divisions: includes persons, property, obligations, and general provisions.